In today's video, we will be doing a giveaway. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. Today is our 1-year anniversary on YouTube, and we decided to do a giveaway to give back to our subscribers because we appreciate all of you guys. In this giveaway, we will be giving away 2 items. The first item we'll be giving away is this multi-slicer, and there are 4 slicing options on this slicer. You can cut thick slices, thin slices, thick julienne, and thin julienne. This is what the back of the box looks like, and it also mentions that the features include a stainless steel blades, non-skid feet, a comfortable grip, and it also includes a hand guard. Now let's move on to the second item we'll be giving away. The second item we're giving away is this 5-piece kitchen set, which is a light brown and white color and says "The kitchen is our happy place" on it. This set includes 1 oven mitt, 2 pot holders, and 2 terry kitchen towels. This is what the back looks like so you can get a closer look at the designs. This is everything we'll be giving away. To enter in this giveaway, you have to be at least 18 years old, you have to be subscribed to our channel, and you also have to have your notifications turned on. You have to like this video, and if you want to enter, you have to put #giveaway in your comment. This giveaway will be open for 1 week, and we will be randomly picking the winner on August 2nd. This giveaway is also open to all of our subscribers, which means that anybody can enter. Good luck to everybody who enters, and don't forget to put #giveaway in your comment if you want to enter to win. We hope you enjoy.